Carol.
There he goes. The night walker.
Hey! Hey! What was that?
Scary.
Where you going? Danny. Where you going? Where you going? You gonna play right?
Chris! How's she look? She's coming along. All right. Freddie, you going down again?
Chris, come here!
Until I'm ready. There's the neighbors helping each other out on Coronado Drive, stuck on the hill. Good old Poochie and good old Fred. Oh! Oh, Fred. Gonna release the unveiling or what? Come on. Let me see.
It's not done yet.
Move aside, Daniel. I can't see through you. There we go. Isn't he handsome? What artists. You gonna go down the hill, Fred?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get in position. Anytime.
I'm scared.
Yeah, I bet.
Don't take my picture. Don't take my picture. Don't take my picture. Do I sound like Doris?
Yeah.
Don't take my picture. I'm getting too old for this stuff.
You got a little speed this time. Think you lost somebody.
Come on, get up. Man, this stuff is cold.
The Indian style, Chris.
Boom! Yeehaw!
I jumped up.
Still where he fell.
It's pretty deep back here. Woo!
Oops. End of the line.
Hey, handsome, how are you?
Hey, baby. Want a date?
I don't think my father will let me. Oh, now you must die.
Uh-oh. War. This means war.
Hell no! Oh, I'm stuck on the sled. I win.
Moms always win. No fair. The great standoff.
Down.
And the artist is at work.
Cool. You ready? Like your teeth? What teeth? Just like you. Good.
Christopher. Ready? It's not.
Got him.
That's why it's all down the side of his neck.
I was making him a snowman.
Come on. You gonna go down over? You gonna go down?
Yeah, sure. Where are we going down? You're going down on Dad's back.
Yeah.
I went down on his back.
Don't be scared.
He only has to walk halfway down the hill. Yeah. I was going down What the heck is he doing?
Jump on!
Push. Now go. Oh.
There goes the momentum. How cute. That was for you, Amorous. Justice, where's your ball? Justice, where's your ball? You want to come play with the kids, but you'll just run away. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh. Get that ball. Where'd that ball go? Where is it? I know it was just here.
He says he wants his $22 back. Here, boy. Come on. Follow.
Follow that. There's the
That was a sad throw, wasn't it?
I don't
Just
know. I couldn't follow it, so
Just
it's
get
not.
the ball. Get the ball. Get it. Here, boy. Yes. Get the ball. Get the ball.
Okay, got the store of ammunition ready? Got the forts built? Okay, let's inspect enemy lines. Okay, ammunition.
Ambush.
Okay, it's the girls against the boys. Cool forts, guys.
And no more about fights, snowball fights. Oh, be quiet. You don't know.
I think we used to have some pretty good snowball fights. How about you?